Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I will show you how to change default download folder in Google Chrome. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my Google Chrome. Now to change the default download folder, first of all, click on these three dots on the top right and over here go to this settings. And now you can see bunch of options on the left. Now you can also find over here downloads. Click on this and over here is download and you can find here location. Here is location. You can see the folder on which your downloads are being saved. Now to change this, click on this change and over here choose the folder on which you want to save your files. Now for demo, I'll choose this one and just select this folder. Now you can see I have changed the download location folder on Google Chrome. So in this way we can change default download folder in Google Chrome. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.